Hi, I'm John Webster, I'm curator here at RHS Rosemoor, and I've got the great job of looking after this wonderful garden. One of the first things you see as you enter for our welcome building is our summer bedding. So that's really vibrant with cannas and salvias and orbutilon. It's looking amazing. So some other highlights now are our two colour themed gardens. So the cool garden, as the name suggests, is about pastels, grey foliage plants. Got a mass of grasses in there, as well as the meandering water through the design. Next door to the cool gardens, our hot garden. So lots of oranges, yellows, reds. So we've got honker red, which is a lovely star dahlia. A lovely orange one as well, a moonfire. But there the whole planting is meadow-esque in style. One area that's not to be missed as well is our cottage gardens. So this has got a lovely thatch shelter as a backdrop. Sweet peas as well, still flowering, second flush of roses. It's just really sort of a nice naturalistic planting. One of the main corridors through the formal garden is what we call the long borders. So here we've got the rudbeckias, alströmerias, again a mass of dahlias. It's a lovely journey through the formal garden. As we're in late summer, the exotic garden's coming to the fore really. It's sort of a bit dark, you walk through the planting, but it's got that sense as if you're walking through a jungle, which is really amazing. One thing we planted this year was a pictorial meadow. It was sown in April and now it's a carpet of colour. And also edibles. So we've got our orchards laden with apples, and our ornamental potager is full of amazing things like rainbow chard, kale. So I know we're coming to the end of the summer in a sense, into autumn even, but the garden's still full of colour and interest, and we look forward to welcoming you here soon.